Kobe Paras, hindi umano cheater. Mabilis lang umano talaga itong mag-move on. Si Kobe Paras pala ang nakipaghiwalay kay Kylene Alcantara at iginiit ni Jackie na hindi umano cheater ang kanyang anak. Sunod-sunod ang naging pasabog na revelasyon ng dating aktres na si Jackie Forster patungkol sa paghihiwalay ng kanyang anak na si Kobe Paras at ng kapuso actress na si Kylene Alcantara. Matapos mag-viral ang mga cryptic post niya sa social media, nagsalita na nga si Jackie tungkol sa nalalaman niya hinggil sa controversial breakup ni na Kobe at Kylene. Sa pamamagitan ng isang video na kanyang ibinahagi sa kanyang social media noong April 27, kinumpirma nga ni Jackie na hiwalay na nga ang celebrity couple, kasabay ng paglilinaw na never nag-cheat ang kanyang anak na si Kobe. Ani ni Jackie, naiwasan sana ng kung ano-anong naglalabasang espekulasyon at akusasyon ngayon laban kay Kobe kung hindi umano nakiusap si Kylene sa tatay ni Kobe na si Benji Paras. Ani nito, so much of this mess could have been avoided if people on Kylene's team didn't ask Benji to tell the public that they were still okay. Why couldn't they admit it? Because of contracts. Yan ang pagbabahagi ni Jackie. May kinalaman umano sa mga kontrata ni Kylene kaya hindi pa nito diretsahang maamin na hiwalay na sila ni Kobe. Ani pa ni Jackie, some things were said and done that were, let's say, red flag. For the next few months, Kobe had a few more encounters with Kylene parents that really put them off. Sa katunayan, nag-effort pa raw ang anak nila ni Benji na maayos ang issue nila ni Kylene. Pero may ginawa at sinabi raw kay Kobe ang actress na tinawag niyang unforgivable. So he finally left. Kobe gives his all. He's generous. He's kind. He sticks to one but when he made to feel a certain way, he's done. Yan ang pagpapatuloy ni Jackie. Hindi rin daw maintindihan ni Jackie kung bakit hinayaan lamang ni Kylene na tawaging cheater si Kobe. Gayong wala naman talagang third party involved sa breakup nila. You're allowing Kobe to be painted as the villain, all because he didn't want to be with you anymore. Isa pa sa mga revelation ni Jackie tungkol umano kay Kylene. You let him borrow your car and stay at your place while he was waiting on the condo that he wanted to buy, only for you and your family to belittle him. He was there because you asked, and he stayed because he wanted to trying to make it all work. Patuloy pang pahayag ni Jackie, he was already distant. You're grabbing his phone and you physically assaulted him and in a manner that was provoking. Why? Why would you do that? Why would you put Kobe in that position? Why do you need to be violent? Ang pagbabahagi pa ng nanay ni Kobe.